Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get result based on two criteria. One is a fixed criteria, another one is a variable one. So based on that, we have to construct formula and how to get the result. Margin based on price. If the price is below 500, 7% margin. 2000 and below it's a 8%, 5000 and below 10%, above 5000 it's a 12%, and this product also varies based on product. Margin also changes. We use if formula, that will be a very lengthy one, so better go for index match function. Each and every step is very important and very simple also. Index, we need to get only the percentage of margin, comma, then we have to start with match. Since we are going to have multiple criteria, use one, comma, fixed quote. So select the range and it should be equal to quote, bracket close. Use multiply symbol, that is asterisk, again bracket open. Give range of price. Here we have to use greater and equal to. Give reference of price, bracket close, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, bracket close. Make sure that Ctrl Shift Enter. If you miss any step, the result will not come, and we can able to create multiple variables. Based on variables you can get result. The formula will be same, there is no change at all. Let's check. I just put 5001, perfect. If I put 200, okay. The same way we can able to change code also for D100. Say some 35,000, 25%. So like that we can able to get result based on fixed match. Another one is a variable match. Based on that it will give result, and you can able to create multiple variables and you will get the result. There is no need go for if. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.